going on, guys? Hope you're doing well tonight. I just thought I'd do a bit of a Bitcoin update for you, and let's see what's happening on the Bitcoin chart and have a look at some price action and see where we go from here. So, first things first, we are in the we're only 1 hour into a 4-hour candle here, so a lot can happen here. We could see price fluctuate quite a bit around this level. What I'm looking at first and foremost is exactly the zone that it's at. So this level of 51,000 ish, that's a pretty key level of resistance. We can see it's tested it here, and we're having another go at it now. It's been confirmed as support over here in this circle, so that's a pretty key level of price action there that Bitcoin's currently trying to push through. So why is that important? Basically, if we can push past this, then I'd be looking for a bit of a push, a bit of a test, and then a continuation. That's where I'd be looking at putting longs in. So I'm not going to chase a breakout. I could do a breakout trade, but a lot can happen in 3 hours, so I'm not going to chase that. We'll watch that, and I'll wait for the close of that candle. If I miss the trade, I miss the trade. It's no big deal. There's always going to be another trade. So that's what I'm looking out for longs. Now, if we fail there, we need to work out where price is going to pull back to. So what we usually do with that is Fibonacci. So you've got horizontal support and resistance and trend lines and whatnot, but I'm going to look at Fibonacci, and I can see here that the 50%, the 0.5 on the fib level has been tested here, which also lines up with previous support there. So that's a pretty good pullback level. So we could see Bitcoin reject here, do the opposite and test the other way. And then I'd be looking for it to at least coming back down to this 0.5 Fibonacci. Ideally, I'd like to see it test this level, which is around the 618, and also coincides with that uptrend. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much what I'm looking at right now. I'm watching this level of price action at the 50,800 to the 51,000 zone, pretty close. And those are the two scenarios that I'm waiting for. I'm not going in a trade right now. We're right at resistance. I'm not longing at resistance. There's still 3 hours left of a 4-hour candle. I'm definitely not entering shorts either. I'm on the fence. I'm waiting. I'm being patient, which I hate doing. I'm biding my time to see which way this goes. So either way, if you can catch this trade, the risk to reward is going to be good. If we at least push the previous highs and set stops a little bit below that support, risk to reward is good there. If we go on the other way and you want to try and catch that short, then you're going to go above wicks for your stops, and you're looking at least the 50%, but I would be probably targeting the 6-1 out. I'd definitely take some profits there, but that'd be my target. So no matter which way you look at it, the risk to reward's good. Just keep an eye on it, set some alerts, so if it does break through, then you can try and catch a retest. If it rejects, same thing, catch a test of resistance, and you can short it. Just remember, we are still technically in an uptrend, so if you are shorting it, it is going to be riskier. It's a counter trend trade, so just be very careful with that. But that's it. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight into what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. The other thing to keep in mind as well is the DXY has been showing a bit of strength as well, which historically, you can counter that. Bitcoin does counter with the DXY, so just keep an eye on that as well. But that's the area I'm watching right now. So just keep an eye on that 51,000 and look for breaks. And if we can catch a retest there, then it might be up for a good entry. So hope that helps. If you've got any questions, shoot me a message. Heaps of information in the Discord too, so don't forget to jump in the Discord. There's links everywhere, all over the Facebook group. There's myself and 5 other traders in there constantly helping people. And not only that, but the community is amazing. The community is so supportive, super awesome, and everyone's helping each other out. So by all means, jump in the Discord if you've got any questions as well, and I'll see you there. Thanks.